Plus Therapeutics' wholly owned subsidiary, Ascencore Diagnostics, will be showcasing 2 presentations at the upcoming Joint Society for Neuro-Oncology, Ascencore, and the American Society of Clinical Oncology, ASCO, CNS Metastases Conference. The conference, scheduled to take place on August 14th to 16th, in Baltimore, will highlight the clinical utility of Ascencore's cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, assay platform for patients at risk for central nervous system metastases. According to Michael Rossell, Ph.D., Plus Therapeutics Chief Development Officer, the Ascencore data showcases the company's ability to quantify tumor cells and deliver actionable insights. Ascencore Diagnostics develops and commercializes proprietary laboratory-developed tests, such as Ascencore, designed to identify tumor cells that have metastasized to the central nervous system in patients with carcinomas and melanomas. The Ascencore CSF assay platform enables quantitative analysis and molecular characterization of tumor cells and circulating tumor DNA in the cerebrospinal fluid, informing and improving the management of patients with leptomeningeal metastases. Leptomeningeal metastases, LM, are a rare but severe complication of advanced cancer affecting the fluid-lined structures of the central nervous system. LM occurs in approximately 5% of patients with metastatic cancer, with breast cancer, lung cancer, and melanoma being the most common sources. Median survival is typically 2 to 6 months, and effective treatment options are limited, highlighting the urgent need for novel therapies. Plus Therapeutics is advancing a pipeline of product candidates with lead programs in leptomeningeal metastases, LM, and recurrent glioblastoma, GBM. The company's lead program, Rheobic, is being evaluated in the ReSPECT-LM dose optimization trial, and the Ascencore diagnostic assay is expected to enhance CNS metastases management and drive therapies like Rheobic. Meanwhile, Plus Therapeutics announced the treatment of its initial patients in the ReSPECT-LM dose optimization trial for Rheobic, rhenium Re186 obisbemida, for the treatment of leptomeningeal metastases, LM. The trial builds on promising results from the company's completed Phase 1 single-dose escalation study, which demonstrated the feasibility of Rheobic for treating LM. The ReSPECT-LM dose optimization trial is designed to optimize treatment dosing for maximum efficacy and safety, with the primary objectives of determining the safety and tolerability of multiple Rheobic doses administered via intraventricular catheter at defined intervals in patients with LM from any primary solid tumor cancer, and to identify both the maximum tolerated dose and minimum effective dose. According to Andrew Brenner, MD, PhD, Professor Research at the Mays Cancer Center at UT Health San Antonio, the trial enrollment is expected to proceed rapidly due to the substantial clinical need and lack of FDA-approved therapies for LM. Dr. Brenner also expects that the company will enroll all required patients and doses in Cohort 1 by the end of the year, assuming Rheobic continues its attractive safety profile. The dose optimization study builds on encouraging results from the company's previously announced Phase 1 trial, which showed a single dose of Rheobic delivered up to an average absorbed dose of greater than 250 GY to the cranial subarachnoid space. The trial also demonstrated that 5 of 7 patients achieving an over 80% reduction in LM tumor cells in the cerebrospinal fluid survived at least 1 year post-treatment. The company anticipates presenting these data and additional information from the completed single-dose escalation trial at the upcoming Ascencore ASCO CNS Metastases Conference, and will also request an end-of-Phase 1 Type B meeting with the FDA to align on the clinical development plan and the design of a potential registrational trial. Rheobic is a novel injectable radiotherapy specifically formulated to deliver direct targeted high-dose radiation in CNS tumors in a safe, effective, and convenient manner to optimize patient outcomes. The ReSPECT-LM dose optimization trial is funded by a $17.6 million grant from the Cancer Prevention and Research Institute of Texas, CPRIT, which is the second largest public funding source for cancer research in the world. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.